today we're going to go over measuring biodiversity. By the end of today, you should be able to answer the question, how do we measure biodiversity? There are different types of biodiversity, but we're going to focus on species diversity. We're going to use the Simpson's Index of Diversity, which has one of the most easiest formulas to use. Even so, we will use some math magic to make it a little bit more simpler to use for most people. Let's go over the formula a little bit. Lowercase n is the total number of one species, while capital N means the total number of all species. To practice using this formula, we're going to calculate the biodiversity of this example. We'll use the table to aid our calculations. The total number of chuckins is 1, and 1 times 1 is 1. The total number of moo-moos is 2, and 2 times 2 is 4. And we have 7 big flower plants, and 7 times 7 is 49. The totals of each column is 10 and 54 respectively. 10 is capital N, the total number of all species, or the total population of an area. 54 is sigma little n squared, the sum of the individual population squared. Now let's enter our numbers into our equation. Red for red and blue for blue. Now we have 1 minus 54 over 10 squared, which turns into 1 minus 54 over 100, which turns into 1 minus 0.54, and finally we have 0.46. Which is our measurement for biodiversity for this example. The Simpson Index of Diversity is on a scale of 0 to 1, where 0 is terrible biodiversity and the closer to 1 the better. Now you should be able to answer the question, how do we measure biodiversity? Thanks for watching, till next time, bye!